To transfer data from USB drive into or from Poco M8, you can do that easily by connecting this for the first to the USB-C port. If it is not working for some reason, you have to open the settings, scroll to the additional settings, and you have to go for the OTG connection. You have to make sure that you are gonna turn it on. Now you have to just open your files manager. Wait until it will open, just a few moments, and go for storage. And here we should actually get the USB storage. As you can see, we can find here some pop-up ads, so we can just turn it off, and here we can find the USB device. So we have to just open this. Now let's say I want to move something from my USB drive into my Poco M8, so I'll actually take this photo. You have to just select everything, and you can move this or you can copy. In my case, I want to copy this, so now I have to select the internal storage, and I can pick folder. So for example, I'm gonna put it into the downloads, and I'm gonna click here on the switcher, and as you can see, the transfer is complete.